Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay, and today's video we're going to show you how to make money on YouTube 2022. It's going to be a short video, so please hope you enjoy it. This is my video. This is my channel. Quickly, I make money I make money on YouTube. I make money on Etsy, and I make money on Amazon KDP. But we're talking about YouTube today. And if you want to make money on YouTube, the simple fact is you need to show your face or use your voice. One of them, you've got to do that, guys. I have spent a lot of time and effort making videos where you don't need to show your face and use your voice. You can use those AI voices, but YouTube keep demonetizing me. Yeah, this is my biggest online earner. This channel alone makes me a lot of money, but then I get demonetized because it says I'm using products for mass produced videos, which I'm not. I did in the past. So what I do now, when I get demonetized, I scroll down, I delete some videos, I recreate them using my own voice. I don't always show my face. Yeah, you don't have to show your face as long as you've got your voice on. Yeah, and that's what I do, guys. And sometimes I add a little intro, a little outro. But the best thing is, if you want to make money on YouTube, use your voice or pay for someone to use their voice. Don't use those AI machines. It's not worth it, guys, because you do get demonetized. I know in the past I've said you don't because it was working, but then for some reason YouTube have started to clamp down, and this channel gets monetized, then demonetized, then monetized, then demonetized, and I don't want you to go through the same thing. I'm being transparent, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. My channel, Make Money with Video, is only a small channel. It's not monetized. I appreciate the watch time, but this is a short video. So until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.